I'm going to give you the example and then we'll talk about how to do it. For example, find the least common multiple. Find the LCM of 3 and 4. Now, the first thing to realize is that there are bazillions and bazillions of common multiples that they have in common, but there's only one that's the smallest common multiple. Smallest multiple they have in common. So here's what you do. You start by writing the number down and jotting down some multiples. I would probably go 5 or 6. And multiples, if you remember, are counting by the number. That's what multiples are. People get those mixed up with factors, or where you see what number goes into it. Multiples are counting by. So if I'm counting by 3, I have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and you can go on forever with multiples. Okay, but we're looking for the smallest one they have in common. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. Now, a common multiple, the common multiples are the ones that they have in common. So if you look here, 12 is a common multiple. I also have here 24, which is a common multiple. 36 will eventually be a common multiple, as will 72 and 48. Okay, but we are looking for the least common multiple, and that would be this. The least one is the smallest one. Okay, this is the least common one. We probably did greatest common factor before. This is least common multiple. Alexa?
For when we do it in her book, will they tell how many multiples we have to do? Or
No, they'll probably just say write the least common multiple. So you'll have to, no. For example, they say the least common multiple of 3 and 5. LCM of 3 and 5. So you write it down, and I need to see this, people. Eventually you'll be able to just tell me what it is, but multiples of 3 and 5. 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15. Once you get to the common multiple, you can stop. The least common multiple is 15. To which most people say, well, sir, 3 times 5 is 15. Is the least common multiple always just those two things multiplied together? It is not. A common multiple will be. Okay, you'll always get a common multiple that, for example, the least common multiple of 3 and 9. 3 times 9 is 27. 27 is one of the common multiples, but it's not the smallest common multiple because multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12. Multiples of 9 are 9, 18, and you could stop there. The smallest multiple they both have is 9, not 27. So you have to be a little bit careful on what you think is true and what really is true. DJ,
Can I go to get a pencil?
please. Alexa?
so we stop it and tell it how
Well, when you get to a common multiple, you can stop. Yeah, you don't have to keep going forever. Most of the cases, you're going to know what the common multiple is. How about one more? 6 and 8. The LCM of 6 and 8. And again, if you multiply 6 times 8, you get 48. 48 is a common multiple, but I can tell you it's not the smallest one they got. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, and maybe you can stop right there because you know that 24, 8, 16, 24. So 24 is a multiple of both of them. The least common multiple of 6 and 8 is And again, most people get greatest common factor confused with least common multiple. That's why it's good to check your notes every time you're asked that, because it happens so much it's not even funny. Now, take out another blank piece of paper.